IoT, or the Internet of Things, has the power to change how business is done. In this video, we'll talk about what the Internet of Things, IoT, is and how it can help a business grow. What is IoT? IoT is the name for the Internet of Things. It's a network of gadgets, cars, and other things with sensors built in so they can connect and share information. In plain English, IoT stands for the Internet of Things. This is a term for devices that send data over a wired or wireless network. IoT gives users a lot of different options. It has the power to change the way history goes. IoT affects most businesses because it has changed not only how businesses collect and share information, but also how they collect and share information. IoT is changing the business world in many ways, which is making more people want to take IoT courses in Mumbai. Inventory tracking and management. If you work in a warehouse, do you find it hard to keep track of and control your inventory? Does your staff spend a lot of time dealing with inventory problems? Well, things are better now than they were back then. IoT inventions can help track and control the inventory while your staff is working on more difficult tasks. Data sharing. IoT technology has changed how data is handled in a big way, and businesses run and grow with the help of ways to collect and share data. IoT not only gave consumers access to their data, but it also noticed patterns in how they used certain products and services. As a result, the user experience is enhanced while the data is also being interpreted for development. Businesses use data to better understand consumer preferences, the buying cycle, the scope of improvement, and to market their products. With IoT technology, this data can be looked at in the right way. This is why enrolling in IoT training might be quite beneficial to you. Productivity and efficiency. When the company has more information about the market and its customers, it can work better. IoT devices can be linked together, which will make the whole system more efficient and have a direct effect on sales. More business processes can be done in less time. IoT technology makes it possible for employees to do hard tasks quickly and correctly. Because of productivity and efficiency, profits will go up by a lot. You only need to make sure the tools are ready. Remotely handle the work. Another reason for the huge growth of IoT training in Mumbai is that it can be used from anywhere. This means that you don't have to go to the location to do the work. If your business doesn't deal with real goods, you can save space and keep in touch with your employees without being in the same place. Additionally, studies have shown that remote workers are happier, which will greatly increase your company's production. Improve collaboration. In an HBR study, 58% of the people who took part said that IoT activities help them work together better. Users can work together with the rest of their team, make changes to a project, or even update data on a device from anywhere in the world if they have a linked smartphone. IoT technologies are even showing up in places like meeting rooms and conference rooms. Users will be able to sign into a conference room as soon as they enter it in the future, thanks to IoT cameras connected to AI networks. Face recognition makes it possible for the AI helpers to load tools and information that are unique to each user. Inventory management and tracking. Any business that sells real goods needs to keep track of its stock. When your portfolio is bigger, you need to update your database more often. IoT software and hardware, on the other hand, can help businesses keep track of inventory changes and save time on logistics. IoT sensors can even keep track of how your goods move and are delivered, so you can automatically let your customers know. As a result of giving your customers better service, your stocking procedures will also work better. New self-service opportunities. Organizations are already using new ways to get rid of the usual bumps in the buying process. Many supermarkets and shops use scan and go technology, which lets customers pay without the help of a person. This method uses IoT sensors that are linked to a database of items in stock to automatically check prices and update stock lists. Thanks to easy self-service options, many stores may now be able to make better use of their human store employees. Instead of asking your staff to scan products or update your inventory database, you could use your self-service solutions to give them more interesting and creative tasks. Getting to know your customer better. 47% of the people who filled out the Forbes Insights survey said that they had used visual analytics in their businesses to keep track of information about people and situations. Companies can use this information to better understand how customers react to different levels of customer service and in-store promotions. Thanks to IoT devices and data, businesses have a great chance to learn more about how their customers act. When new tools like cameras with vision sensors hit the market, businesses will find it much easier to learn about their target audience. AI and IoT technologies can make customers happier and help businesses improve their services. Easier access to more data. By connecting devices to a cloud-based network, companies can quickly gather more information. With the help of the Internet of Things, IoT, you can track and analyze data from sensors placed all over your store to see how customers interact with your products when they shop in person. IoT devices can also keep track of how well equipped and workers are doing in factories, assembly lines, production systems, and even vehicles to tell you how your business is doing. The more data you collect, the more likely it is that you can improve productivity and efficiency or find new ways to make money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.